But there's a few things we need to bear in mind when we consider the earth in which we live. Humans have been on this earth for around about 165 or so, thereabouts, 1,000 years. During that time, they have more and more detuned away from God and the structure. And in that 165,000 years, we have terraformed the planet, literally terraformed it. And do you know what I mean by terraforming? It means imposing the human desire for everything to look different. And I terraform the planet, I rip out the trees, I rip out the environment, I kill off everything. It's really interesting walking here in Austria because everything looks so pretty, like green and lots of water. It's just really great. But there's no animals, there's no birds. When I say none, compared to where we live, it's just none. We're lucky on a walk to see 2 birds, even though we walk for 1 hour and a half in the bush, up in the mountains. And that's a demonstration of how far humans have terraformed this planet without realising it, without understanding. And so the only animals we actually see are domestic. Dogs, cats, cows, with bells. And if I was a cow, that would drive me absolutely bonkers. But anyway, imagine having a bell going clang, clang, clang around your neck all day. It's terrible. There's no compassion for the animals either in this place because we have become so self-absorbed that we don't even care about the environment really in which we live anymore. And we're totally dedicated to really just what I would call virtue signalling ourselves to make out we're nice people, when actually there's been 160,000 years of damage that each generation sort of feels like, well, the other people did damage, so why can't I?